We spent the first session on two main ideas. One was, what can we do to enjoy the river? And the other was, connected to that, is the pathways along the river and how we could possibly use them for physical activity. So we spent the second session figuring out how to do this. The problems with navigating the river in Limerick are tidal on one side, and on the other we've got the Arden Cross turbines. So we don't know enough about it yet, but this table is actually committed to doing a survey on that and talking to people in Waterways Ireland, Sassy fishermen, who else have we got? Regeneration perhaps, to look into mapping and funding for this. So that would be with a view to getting more people using the river in boats, and also perhaps rearranging the mooring points in the city centre so they're better placed for people to get out of boats, come through the city centre, where I think some of the mooring places are now, craft can't get to them because of the bridges, so we've suggested a few new spots for them. Connected to that then is the pathways. From UL to the city centre, there's a beautiful walk, the old tow-path along the river. The other side of the city is another beautiful pathway going on the north side of the river, from the city out by Westfield Westlands. It now goes all the way out to Coona. We want to connect the two with a really nice pathway through the town. So we're committed to, half of the table are going to investigate the waterways, the other half are going to map routes through the town that we enjoy walking, that could perhaps be signposted nicely, put little feet, little footsteps on the pathways through the town, work out several pathways around the town, passing areas of historical interest, and to give people a sense of connectivity from UL through the town and out the other side, both on foot and boats, and to tie in with some of the other tables. Siobhan's table mentioned heritage. There's no reason why we couldn't map out a route of architecture and historical sites. May's table was mentioning public transport and bus lanes. We could join forces with people who are involved in cycle paths if we're to signpost these things, join all the dots together through the town. That's our plan. Okay.